Ridstar Ranger e-bike. Electric bikes are popular than ever. They are eco-friendly, convenient to use, and extremely versatile. You can easily fold it and carry it in your car when you are going out on an adventure. Not every foldable e-bikes are good, but we have one of the best ones today. Basic parameters: expanded size, length 2000 *, width 240 *, height 1200 mm. Wheelbase 1280 mm. Actual weight 34 kilograms. Mode: pure electric, electric assist, pedal. Frame material: aluminum. Front fork: hydraulic front fork. Braking system: front and rear disc brakes. Transmission system: rear drive. Tire size: 26 by 4.0. Display: LCD. Maximum speed less than or equal to 50 km/h. Endurance 60 to 90 km. Slope less than 25 degrees. Load weight less than or equal to 150 kg. Motor parameters: motor type: DC brushless high-speed motor. Rated power 1000 W. Rated voltage 48 V. Main technical parameters of charging: output power 2A. Charging time 4-6H. Lithium battery parameters: battery type 18650 lithium battery. Capacity 14 Ah. The main parameters of the controller: undervoltage protection 39 V. Overcurrent protection 25A. Packing size 1590 to 90 late 20 mm.